What's wrong with the parents? They would rather let their daughter burn in Sasural than keep them back in Maika. If girl is complaining about dowry demands to her parents, then the parents should not send her back. Just because they get them married, it's not the end of the story. They should not succumb to these vultures' demands for dowry. It's a very wrong practice which is existing till now. Our laws are not strong. Girls are not the commodity to be sold. You have to support them. But it's all about their honor, about their standing in society. So they always think how they'll be judged by relatives and neighbors. So that's not important. you know don't let your ladly die in those circumstances. Be her support. Listen to her. There's no shame in it. Bring her back and punish those people. Complain about their dowry demands, but don't give in and then cry for justice, because in our country justice is never delivered. आंखों पे पट्टी बांध के रखी हुई है जस्टिस सिस्टम ने. They want more evidence, they want witnesses in spite of knowing everything. you know so that's why they dare to, these perpetrators, that's why they dare to do such crimes, because they know they'll be out on bail. But as a society, strong society, we should not tolerate these things. We have to give them swift punishment, what they deserve. They just can't get away. So please, request to justice system, request to government, please take swift action and do something about these dowry deaths. Our girls and daughters are not there to die and get burned. It's very wrong. My heart breaks to listen to these things. That's my take. Please create an awareness.